Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to be talking about Showrunner, the AI Netflix that you will have control over the show. Let's dive in. Okay, so Showrunner, Fabel Simulation's new tool that they're releasing very soon, gave us a little glimpse into what they've been working on. And let me tell you what, this stuff is really cool. This is stuff that I've been dreaming of since I was a kid. So basically, you're going to be able to make any AI TV show and episodes with Showrunner. Let's watch a little preview that they released today. What do you guys think? Okay, obviously it was all cartoons. Nothing like Sora stuff, but I think with the capabilities of what Sora will be coming out soon, that it will eventually be, you'll be able to actually do, real looking people. So they gave us several somebody actually done one episode here on Exit Valley. We'll watch a little bit of it, and then they done some trailers here. And then these here are just kind of, I think, just fake right now. But it's based off of this one here called Sim Francisco. They did a little snippet here. We can watch it real quick. So you can see it's based off of like a sim world, and you'll be able to scroll in and then like grab a character, and then you can interact with that character, kind of like The Sims.
Good morning, Aurora. Currently in San Francisco, it's 62 degrees with partial clouds. You might want to bring a layer for the slight chill in the breeze. Today's schedule includes team meeting at 10 a.m., your yoga class at 6 p.m., and don't forget, today's your mother's birthday.
Dr. Johnson, I keep having nightmares that maybe we are all part of some digital farce, an intricate simulation.
You mean like the Matrix, Aaron?
No, not like sure. It's like everyone's pulling the strings, manipulating me, including you.
Aaron, you know I'm programmed to help, not manipulate. You're in a safe environment. No one is controlling us here.
Okay, so the mouth movements on that one were a bit weird. But this is just the early stages of this.
Ever since we replaced human SimTed speakers with AI replicas, things have become so much more efficient. You know, I absolutely relish orchestrating these TED Talks. The perfect speakers, aren't they? These AIs, they're not hindered with the frailties of human sentiment. They don't crack under pressure or bow out due to personal emergencies. They just deliver. And the best part, I don't lose time dealing with the chaos of human emotion. It's also effortless.
Code red, a speaker has escaped. Code red, a speaker has escaped.
Oh, hold on. I'll have to pull the plug on these fellas.
So you kind of get the drift on that. So that's a little sample they gave us. But if you go here back to their home here, let's check out some of these here. Okay, you can look at this one here. Now this show here, so what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to go into a show and you can just watch the show, the AI generated show, or you can type in and you'll be able to manipulate the show, make it extend it. You can make it change the way the characters behave, the way they interact with each other. And here's a family drama about the Robson family living in San Francisco and what happens to them after two siblings use AI to cope with the grief of a family tragedy. Now, I probably won't play all of this. We'll just play some snippets of this stuff.
Okay, just a few more lines of code.
Jay, I'm scared. What if she doesn't remember us? Or what if she's different? Remember how mad she was when we spilled juice on her work laptop right before her VC pitch? Would she remember that?
I don't know. Remember when Mom used to mess up recipes and we'd end up with whatever that was she tried to bake that one time?
Yeah. And she'd laugh and call it a culinary innovation.
Yeah.
I miss her, Jay. I miss her so much it hurts.
This could bring her back to us, Lena. Even if it's just a fragment of her. Okay, here goes nothing.
Jay! Lena! Is the laptop okay? No, Mom. But you are. I love you. My babies. Always.
Okay, so sentimental. definitely. Let's see here. But, you know, I mean, the animation wasn't the best, but it was still really cool and something that I would personally like to work with. Here's a couple more. This one here is called Pixels, a heartwarming story set in San Francisco, home of the nerds, dreamers, and engineers building AI. But in Pixels, the characters aren't humans behind AI. They're AI-enabled devices, already secretly super intelligent, observing humans, questioning our phobias, hopes, and dramas, while trying to quietly and covertly help us along our way. Okay. This is like a Pixar take of Cars.
Hi there. Blue?
Hello, Green. How did you know my name?
I, might have scanned your license plate and, cross-referenced it with my online data logs. Sorry, that was weird, wasn't it?
No, not weird at all. Quite innovative, actually.
Hey, you know, my owner talks to me sometimes.
Oh my god, yes! I thought that was just my owner. He loves the quiet moments we share, especially under the starry sky. He talks about finding someone special to share those moments with.
Maybe our owners would get along just like we are right now.
You know what, Green? I think they just might. Maybe we can help them meet somehow.
Maybe we could just sync our charging times and hope they strike up a conversation.
Yes, that sounds like a plan. My owner's coming back.
So you kind of get the hint on how that works. They did do some showings on, here's another one here. This was more of an anime. It's a dark horror anime set in Neo Tokyo in 2046. The city's a hybrid AI human, where most humans have chosen to be physically augmented with AI technology. And the story picks up after Disanji or catastrophe on November 17th, 2046, a cataclysmic event when all AI augmented humans became ultra-violent. The show follows the survivors as they try to piece together what happened and how to retrieve the souls of them. So you guys can see that this is going to be very versatile. So right now it kind of has like an LTX feel to it, which kind of, you know, goes with some anime stuff. That was cool.
ネオ東京には本当のものは何もありません。しかし、それは限りなく近いです。
私は何かを持っています。誰か、彼らは買い望んでいます。
朝は運命にごらったあの子のこと、それは本当ですか？
So, I mean, what do you guys think of that? That was pretty freaking awesome. So if you're wondering how some of this works, I'm going to show you what it's kind of based off of. They did a South Park episode, and I believe it's going to be working really similar to what they showed on some of that. Let me click over there to show you guys that. Okay, before we look at what I feel like is going to be the editing style of Showrunner, let's take a quick look at this tweet here. Generating TV shows at home should be as simple as browsing Netflix. The Netflix of AI isn't about passive entertainment. It's a two-way make and watch. Who will make the best episodes of shows? A fan with no access to Hollywood, or the creator of the show? Let's find out. So this is what their landing page is going to look like according to the sneak preview. So you're going to select your genre, and then you're going to say anime meets 1920s detective, and then with a touch of Tarantino. And then you're going to click watch show, or you can add another subgenre. So that's what it's going to look like. So I'm not sure if you could be able to go in further and edit it from there, or if what I'm about to show you is the initial page where you edit and then put up a show. But that's just what we're seeing. So let's check out the editing from behind the scenes, what I believe is going to be. They were talking about elaborating on working with bigger studios and stuff. This is after the South Park episode. Almost every studio in Hollywood reached out, and we were exploring with them the idea of interactive TV shows where fans can make new episodes with revenue back to the original creators. We have nothing to announce yet, but what we're seeing in Hollywood is decided to explore the world where some episodes of popular shows are made by fans, so long as the revenue and credits make sense and are appropriate. The below image is never going to happen. The simulation is not Fortnite, for God's sake. So, okay, there's that. I think if you create the show using their things, you should definitely get a percentage of that revenue as well. I'm not sure if that's what they're planning on, or just the fans just making fan art for fan art's sake, and the original creators get access to all the money. I don't know. I just think that seems not right. Okay, so on the South Park The Simulation, I feel like this is going to be similar to what, when you go into the edit mode, you're going to be seeing something like this. Now, I could be wrong. This is just me speculating, but I believe you'll be able to adjust the cast, make the hero, set what's going on, and do a prompt here. And like I said, I'm just, speculating here. I have no idea because I haven't really told anybody. That being said, if you are interested in signing up for early access, it is pretty simple. Well, first of all, up there at the top of their website, there is a join the alpha, and then you can click and just join the alpha. But down here, if you click on skip the queue, and you says they have a 50,000 person wait list, so it'll take a while. If you want to skip the wait list, we're excited to announce private early access alpha program for showrunners. This opportunity will get exclusive look at our cutting-edge AI platform to help create the next generation of AI shows. Apply now, skip the queue, tell us a bit about yourself. So if you click on this, we'll just ask for your name, and then it will ask for a couple of questions about, have you seen what they've been doing? Do you understand what they're doing? Are you excited about AI and storytelling? And then you could tell, like, if you could make any show, what would you make? And what are some of your favorite shows, animation styles, and so what? So basically, I believe if you answer some of these questions and are appealing to them, you'll get early access. And if you don't, you'll just be back into the long queue. So that's what I've got on this, guys. I am super pumped for this. I believe this is going to be the future of television and even gaming, really, because this kind of has a game concept to it. So what do you guys think? Why don't you guys leave a comment below? Are you going to sign up for early access? Are you going to make AI TV? I know I'm going to. So thanks so much for watching.